Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, June 16th. Today's Zen story is titled A Moment of Tea. A restless fisherman arrived at a weathered fishing dock after many days on the road. The house stood alone at the bend of a quiet river, its wooden walls shaking softly with the wind. Inside, an old woman tended the fire, heating water in an iron kettle. The traveler sat on the low table, stretching his tired limbs. I have crossed many mountains and rivers, he sighed. I have seen great temples and vast cities, but still I have not found what I seek. The old woman poured tea into a small cup and placed it before him. Drink, she said. The traveler lifted the cup, but before taking a sip, he peered into the liquid. Wait, what kind of tea is this? He asked. The old woman stirred the fire. It's just tea. The traveler took a hesitant sip. The warmth spread through him, soothing his aching body. He took another sip, then another, feeling the quiet settle around him. Outside, the river continued its slow journey. The wind rustled the leaves. The fire crackled. The tea was neither rare nor special, yet somehow it was the most satisfying he had ever tasted. The traveler looked up, as if about to speak, yet he only exhaled, watching the tide roll in. He set an empty cup down and bowed his head. The old woman nodded. Would you like more? The traveler smiled. Yes. Now take a moment to take a comfortable position and relax your body, arriving in stillness. Perhaps gently close your eyes. Take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. As always, there is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. How often do you overlook the simple moments in search of something greater? How often do you overlook the simple moments in search of something greater? What happens when you stop questioning and simply experience what is in front of you? What happens when you stop questioning and simply experience what's in front of you? Now, if you'd like to experiment, just sit quietly and listen to the sounds around you without naming them. How does that feel? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also, I encourage you to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen that you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.